What USB PD asks for is very accurate control of output voltage and current. And what the InnoSwitch 4 Pro does is provide you with an I2C interface to drive the power supply to deliver those voltages and currents. Now that allows the microcontroller to precisely set output voltage and adjust output current in very small increments, as little as 10 milliamps per step. And that's a software programming exercise which is much easier than the traditional way of doing it with analog electronics. Efficiency for USB PD and rapid charging manifests itself in elimination of heat sinks. So it's very important for small and low profile power supplies. The way we achieve that with the InnoSwitch 4 Pro is to use PowiGaN transistor technology, which switches very efficiently at higher frequency. In addition, we use active clamping circuitry and zero voltage switching using our Clamp Zero IC. What these do is reduce the energy lost each switching cycle, which you'd see in normal traditional power supplies. And that allows us to go from the normal 94% efficiency you get with a GaN-based flyback to maybe 95 to 95.5% with the active clamp circuit. One of the nice things you get when you can switch very efficiently without losing energy during the switching cycle is you can push up switching frequency without a big penalty. And what we're able to do with the InnoSwitch 4 Pro family is support switching frequencies of 130 and 140 kilohertz whilst achieving 95% efficiency. That allows us to use very small transformers, and also it's ideal for planar magnetics. And in European applications, that's very important when people are doing things like adapterless charging. So that allows us to bring down the size of the magnetics, along with the elimination of the heat sink from the efficiency characteristic, and that all results in a very small power supply. One of the things that's really great about USB PD and PPS for power supply manufacturers and IC makers like ourselves, I've been working in this industry for 35 years and nobody ever cared about what the power supply looked like. Now with rapid charging, the power supply is an important part of the equipment that somebody carries around with them on the road, and small size matters. So getting to the smallest power supply is now a very important requirement for the manufacturer of that power supply system. So we as an IC maker actually have to support that pull from the marketplace.